Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stir-fry glass noodles. First, let's prepare our main ingredient. Glass noodles, often called Japki noodles, are made from sweet potato starch. You'll want to soak about 200 grams of dried noodles in warm water for approximately 30 minutes until they become soft and pliable. Once softened, drain them very well and cut them into shorter, more manageable lengths, perhaps about 6 to 8 inches long, for easier eating. Next, let's get our other ingredients ready. Thinly slice your favorite vegetables like carrots, spinach, mushrooms, and onions. This ensures they cook quickly and evenly in the wok. If you're adding protein, such as thinly sliced beef, chicken, or firm tofu, cut it into small, uniform pieces. Having everything prepped and ready to go before you start cooking is key to a successful stir-fry. Now for the heart of the flavor, the sauce. In a small bowl, combine about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For a little extra zing, you can add a dash of black pepper and perhaps 1 teaspoon of gochujang, a Korean chili paste. Whisk all these ingredients together until they are perfectly combined and smooth. Finally, it's time to cook. Heat a large wok or skillet over high heat with about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. First, stir-fry your protein until it's cooked through, then add your prepared vegetables and stir-fry until they are tender crisp, usually for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add the drained glass noodles and pour in your delicious sauce. Toss everything together quickly to ensure the noodles and vegetables are evenly coated. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.